What is it?
Truck clean out, buddy.
Ooh, must be a rain day.
Morning.
Every truck's got to be equipped with a pineapple. And not just a pineapple. It's a Maui Gold.
Look at that Maui gold.
Telling you, if you ain't got a pineapple, you ain't got a real truck.
From Hawaii.
Straight from Hawaii.
David, what is that? What do you have?
The window that Travis broke.
Travis broken. Oh, yeah, I messed it
You
all
know
up.
how cheap this window isn't?
What do you gotta say for yourself?
Well, it was a complete accident.
I want you to notice that Travis is sitting and eating while David's replacing the window that Travis broke.
He's already had lunch.
You've been on.
Have you seen him eat lunch? Have you seen him eat lunch?
No, so you
Make
don't
a
know.
seat up, folks.
So here we have Corey sweeping and Travis following him around, I guess to make sure he does a good job. Not sure what that's about, but it's interesting.
What is that thing?
That music?
The blues, baby. Stevie Ray Vaughan and what's his name? Albert King.
I've had the blues ever since Travis got here, but go on.
That's right.
This is the pump for the blower. A little hydraulic motor. No pump, it's a motor.
It's
Got a bad spot.
It's a bad sign.
Ooh.
This is the shaft out of the ditcher that my main man Reese grenaded.
That's a bummer.
And I mean grenaded. But it's all good.
Some equipment just can't keep up with us. They need to build it better, right? That's fact.
Where's my man's best friend?
This is the ditcher that Corey's working on. Big old propeller blade right there. Turn, 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 turn. Slings the dirt so he can drain the surface water off faster than our tile can.
I'm pretty excited to come out here and look at my beans coming up for the first time behind my new high-speed deer planter. I've been wanting to see the spacing. Well, these beans was planted on April 6th. It's been cool ever since. Today is April 24th. And I'm going to show you here how they're coming up rather well now. You see them right here. Spacing is almost perfect. You see there in 2 feet, I've got 8 beans spaced out right. That's the highest I've planted. That's 140,000, what that works out to. I've planted from 115 to 140. I feel on most of the ground 120 is about right with this spacing. If you plant this with a regular planter, you're not going to have the spacing like this. You can see these right along this tape measure, just about perfect. John Deere High Speed's doing a great job. We'll check with it a little bit later. Another couple of days, y'all all be about up. Had ideal dry weather. Inch of rain Saturday night on the Saturday on the 23rd. They're looking good. The beans are almost 3,000 acres planted. Corny's up 70%, I think. So a little over half on the beans. So we're doing real good. Things are looking great. Very satisfying to be able to walk out here, see these beans coming up with such good spacing. You can't tell me that you can't raise as good of beans with less beans if you can space them out like that. So, and hopefully better beans.
Just starting to come up. Just spiking through. Now you want them to come up all at the exact same time. At least within a day or so of each other. Because if one comes up later, it'll be a runt, and all it'll be is just like a weed robbing nutrients. We got a little over an inch of rain, and this is my strip till here, or our strip till field that we're just trying it. Nutrient Ag has a rig. So we're just gonna see what it's like, and man, it needed rain because it puts all the nutrients right here. It doesn't work anything else. But when you do that, it brought up all these clods, and there was zero moisture there. So I just went ahead and planted it and just hoped and prayed that it would rain, because it would not come up without it. It had to have rain, and it got it. So now I'm just out here, make sure it had enough moisture, and it got enough, so that's good. So what's your favorite pop?
Mine?
Yeah.
Big Red.
Big Red's your favorite? What's yours, Trip?
This.
You like Pepsi the best? Really? Cool. What about you, Reagan?
I like Big Red and Mountain Dew.
I like Yoo-Hoos. It's not really pop, but that's what I like.
I don't like chocolate milk.
It is like chocolate milk. It's pretty close.
Yoo-Hoos.
You don't?
No.
I like them.
I do.
Waiting on a seed truck from Pioneer. They're going to bring us some of our seed beans, which our parent seed beans, which we will plant, and they will later take back. They'll use them for other farmers to plant with next year. Drive around. We've gotten an inch and, oh, I don't know, 7/10, something like that at the farm over the past 3 days, which rained an inch. Then we had a day of sun. That was great. And we got 6/10 at the farm. already today, which you didn't really want it, but it's fine. It's good. We're still in good shape, but hopefully it doesn't rain some more. So we're gonna go check out some fields, see if gotta dig off any water holes. Checking out Flat Rock Farm, first year here. Just done a little digging. Check it out. It's alive.
Okay, so right now we're digging off water from the field to like dig it off the field to go in a ditch to run out of the field so it's not wet. We're using the shovel to do it because what else would you use?
Easter. As you can see, it rained too much this time, but it dries up now. I think we'll be all right.
April 27th, it's wet out.
All right, I'm gonna go on the record here.
On the record.
On the record. We do our best to keep our trucks clean around here. Keep them clean, nice, and then you get somebody, I'm not gonna mention any names, come steals your truck. Let me just show you this here. Says he's gonna take it to lunch, you know, gets in it, goes to Robinson, gets pizza, decides to eat it in your truck.
In the truck.
See that little spot right there? Yep, that's pizza sauce. Oh, that ain't bad.
Oh,
that ain't bad. No, that
say
ain't
it
bad.
ain't so. Say it ain't so.
But then you get this. Yeah. And then he just gets out and walks away. Don't even clean it up. Here I am busting my butt getting that stuff cleaned up.
So we can't have nice things, Corey.
Nope, can't. Can't have nice things.
It's a shame. I'm not really mad
It's all
about
right, we gonna fix it.
it. Just really disappointed right now.
We gonna fix it.
Don't worry about it.
Well, you couldn't find a potato. You didn't know. How you gonna dig a potato if you can't find a potato?
Right.
Because a potato is big if you can't find it, even though it's big, because it's too hard to find, because it's too deep.
Right.
Well, we had a little trouble here at midnight the other night trying to finish up the field. Travis wasn't there to help me. He did bring me def fluid though, because the John Deere def tank is not big enough.
That's a true statement right there.
Yeah, it's a true statement. So we put in 5 gallon and that filled about a fourth full, so that tells you what it holds.
Yeah.
Anyway, we got a row unit that would not get out there, out to the tube. So with the John Deere tank, going away, if there's no beans getting to this tube in the middle of the night, you're working your hind end off, you're tired, you're ready to go home, you only like 2 rounds, you got to take this hose off back here, okay? You take this hose off, and there's nothing there, no beans. You turn the blower on, nothing comes out. So you know there's something up here in this area, somewhere. Stick a screwdriver in there and you get it going, you put it back on, you go through, it quits. Take it off, put a screwdriver in there, nothing little, it wouldn't come out. So we knew there was a problem. This morning we got this box here, this container to put our beans in. We dumped out this hopper one at a time, starting down here, because with John Deere there is no slide to shut this off like there is on a case where you can just open these up and clean them. We got clear down to the last one down here, and look what we found in our seed. Somewhere out in the seed shed we got this little piece of wood in there, and it plugged off this hole just enough up here. As you can see, right up there, the seed's got to go through there. This was probably about like this in that seed, so it wouldn't let seed through. We got this out now. You want to tell them who you are?
I'm Ashton Diggs.
Where are you from, Ashton?
I'm from Fishers, Indiana.
And you What are you doing today?
Riding in a case tractor.
Had to come down and see the farm, didn't you?
Yep.
Yeah, we're happy to have him. It's too wet for us to be in the field, so we're just taking a little spin around the farm, taking a little farm tour.
Try to weld the pin and smooth that out. Hitch pin's about gone, isn't it?
Oh man. Wow.
That's the bad. That's really bad.
They're both terrible.
Yeah, they're both terrible. Yes. Very much so.
David, do you know who was driving this?
Not me. That'd be Travis.
Travis was driving this. He
Travis
was just gonna let it
driving
break, huh?
You got to watch. Look for
We ought to
stuff.
have a new pin too. That pin's been welded several times.
They all have. One, yeah.
Mine's not quite that bad on the other tractor.
I'll need to get 3 of them pins
Okay.
and order one of them.
All right.
They probably ain't got that.
I'll start calling. Oh, that's Corey.
Good thing. Travis is gonna get it.
Good thing it wasn't you, Travis. Good thing that's you, Corey.
Ew. What are you doing?
Everything that you don't.
Dang, man.
Oh man, go give me the right one.
Corey's changing wheel seals. Both sides. Both sides.
What are you doing there, Travis?
Filling up the tub with oil.
Was it low or something?
Nope, we just got done putting in new wheel seals.
Probably do that all by yourself, didn't you?
No, sir.
Man, that's an honest man right there. He had a chance to take all the credit, but nope, not Travis. No, he's honest. He's honest about this. He's honest about the backhoe window.
That's right.
That's right. That's right.
Darn backhoe window.
Yeah, I tell
Like I
you.
said, just catch all the crap all the time. Reese is pretty nice most of the time. He won't throw me under a bus all the time.
Thump thump.